Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how I created this eye look using a palette which is only $3. I think that's absolutely insane. I don't think I've ever used a palette which is so inexpensive. But before I go in with any eyeshadow, I'm first gonna prime my eyelids. I'm gonna use the MAC Cosmetics Paint Pot in the color Soft Ochre. And to apply this, I'm taking a Sigma Beauty P84 brush using my brush kit. This brush kit I have created together with Sigma Beauty, and I will link everything down in the description bar how you can get your hands on it. Now after applying the primer, I'm gonna apply some eyeshadow guards, and what this is gonna do, it's gonna leave me with a really sharp edge, and it's also gonna pick up eyeshadow fallout. Now this is the palette I'm gonna use. It's by e.l.f. Cosmetics. It's the Bite Size eyeshadow palette. I will put the name of this palette in the description bar, and like I said earlier, it's only $3. A lot of you actually requested me to do videos using these palettes. So since so many of you requested it, I had to get my hands on it, which was actually quite hard because they're not available in the Netherlands, so I had to purchase them from the .com website, which is quite expensive when you ship it to the Netherlands, but I think it's all worth it because these palettes are really good, so I'm really happy that I listened to you guys' advice and got them, and I hope this video is gonna give you some inspiration. Now I'm going in with the third shade, which is that dark brown color, and I'm gonna take a tiny blending brush and blend this first in the inner corner of the eye, and then after blending it in the inner corner, I'm also going to blend it in the outer corner and in the crease area. I'm just going to kind of darken up the whole crease area, starting in the inner corner. You can also start in the middle part of the crease, just do what works best for you. Now I purchased 5 of these bite-sized palettes, but one of them was unfortunately broken when it arrived. But I also filmed a video using the green bite-sized eyeshadow palette, which is going up on my YouTube channel this week as well, so stay tuned for that. And I'm definitely planning to film a few more videos using the bite-sized eyeshadow palettes if you guys are interested. Now I also got my hands on the liquid eyeshadows, which are a dupe to the Stila Cosmetics liquid eyeshadow, so I cannot wait to try them and let you guys know my thoughts on it. So now I'm using my finger to apply the silver color. I just wanted to use my finger. You can also use a brush and spray a little bit of setting spray on it, and this is gonna make it even more intense. But yeah, I was really impressed. I think the color payoff is amazing. I felt like so far everything worked really well, so yeah, I'm so far really impressed that this eyeshadow is so good for only $3. Like, oh my god, like, can it get any better? So now I'm removing the eyeshadow guard, and as you can see, it left me with a really sharp edge. And now I'm taking the Maybelline Gel Eyeliner, and I'm gonna create a wing liner. The brush I'm using is also from my brush kit together with Sigma. It's the E75.
I got an ache inside of me. It's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I see you lit? You're like an ocean without land, not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it. Feel cold, yet warm. When you hold me, when you close. I know, I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me hear.
Now after applying the gel liner, I'm gonna take this one by NYX Cosmetics. It's the matte liquid liner. I absolutely love using this liquid liner on top of gel liner. It just makes it a little bit more darker, and it gives a really nice matte finish. I would definitely recommend to try that one. Now I'm using the Barry M Cosmetics Bold Waterproof Pencil, which is a really intense black pencil. Absolutely love it, and it's not even that expensive as well. So I'm using that in the waterline, and now I'm going in with the black eyeshadow color from the palette and using a flat definer brush, which is also included in my brush kit with Sigma. So I'm just pressing this color right underneath the lower lash line and also a little bit on top of the waterline to make it super black and smoky. And after doing this, I'm gonna take this light color again, using a tiny blending brush, and I'm gonna sweep my brush back and forth and blend out the lower lash line.
You're making it brighter right through the gray.
Then once again, I went back in with the Maybelline Jaw Eyeliner. I decided to make a bit of a pointy inner corner. Lately, I'm really liking it. I just really love the effect that it gives to my eyes. But if you recreate this, this is of course optional. Now I'm quickly curling my lashes and I'm going in with my current favorite mascara, which is by Givenchy Beauty. And of course you can go in with fake lashes, which I did, but if you don't like fake lashes or you don't have time for it, of course you can skip this step. And then here you can see the finished result. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel. And yeah, I just hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what kind of video you want to see next. And hopefully I will see you in the next video.
I got an ache inside of me. It's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it?